Before the season opened on the Cumbres Toltec, locomotive 488 was in the Antonito engine house. An unfortunate event with diesel 114 caused it to be moved to Chama with a broken rear equalization bar and some breaks in the spring rigging. Repairs were made, and on June 21, 2025, the locomotive pulled a regular 10 a.m. train out of Chama. We always like to hang around the yard before the train departs and watch the crews get ready. Today's train is fired by Jeremy Garcia and the engineer is Jeff Stebbins. Brakeman Leon checks the alignment of the switches and looks for any problems with the brakes and wheels. A few minutes before departure, a couple of the guys in the fire patrol talk. The C&T trains are always followed by a fire suppression speeder and a fire truck along the road. I often see deer in the Chama yard early in the morning. On our way home, we stopped in Antonito and saw the final touches being put on the cylinder repair of 487. 114 stands in the yard and still has issues with its electronic controls. Diesel 19 pulls a string of cars around the yard. As I write this on July 7th, 487 is back in service with drivers on 463 seem to be close to being put on and the season is well underway. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Facebook for more great content. Thanks for watching.